Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to add our digital well-being to app screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now we have only our standard classic default applications, but we want to add our digital well-being application to this screen. So how to do it? We need to go to settings, then digital well-being and parental control, and under three dots here we have settings, and at the top, as you can see, show digital well-being on apps screen. So we just need to tap it once, and as you can see now we have our digital well-being app visible in our app screen. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.